Hi everybody, and today we are going to be talking about general relativity. This is quite a monster of a topic, so this is going to be an introduction to general relativity. I'm going to go over some history about the subject first, before we go into any more depth, because history is important. So, 1905 was the year in which Einstein created his brainchild, the theory of general relativity, which essentially states, first of all, that in a vacuum, light, the speed of light, remains constant regardless of the motion of observers, and that the laws of physics are the same for all non-accelerating observers. And it took him 10 years to include acceleration into his equations, and in 1915, it was published. In 1959, at Harvard, redshift was first experimentally shown by using gamma radiation iron up a tower at Harvard University. Now, some more experimental evidence, such as in 2004, include gravity probe B detecting frameshift dragging in orbit of the Earth. In 2014, BICEP 2 detected Big Bang gravity wave radiation. It's not really radiation, but detected Big Bang gravity waves. In 2015, LIGO, while performing an upgrade and just going back online, had such a strong signal pop up that they didn't even believe that it was a real detection. They thought it had to be something from the Earth. And it wasn't until at least a year later that it was confirmed to be a gravitational wave. Now, there are many other examples of experimental evidence of the general relativity theory. However, it's important to note that no matter what, a theory is always a theory, and science doesn't progress if we treat a theory as a law before it becomes a proven fact. For example, there are many gaps in general relativity when it comes to quantum mechanics. And many scientists all over the world are working today very hard on trying to find a single theory to unify both quantum theory and general relativity. So, as said earlier, it needs to be noted that science as a theory should never be treated as a law. There are many occurrences in history where a discovery had been made, and it wasn't until many centuries later that it was accepted or even utilized. For example, when it came to Galileo and today the world being known as round, even today there are people that believe the Earth is flat and riding a turtle. So, no matter what happens when you are studying science, physics, or the universe itself, always keep an open mind, because the answers that we have may not be the answers that we'll have in the future. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. And have yourself a fantastic one. Bye.